guys, we're in Jaca Beach. Pasensya na sa boses ko guys. Sobrang nag-enjoy lang kami kagabi. We did a lot of fun. And for the next 3 days. So, papatuloy natin mag-enjoy dito sa Jaca Resort. I'll share you the beautiful scenery here in Governor Generoso, Davao Oriental. This is Maria Juana 21 and we're here in Jaca Resort. So I'm with my office mates, our counterparts. Ayan ang si Sexy at ang gaganda. Wow, party. So guys, I just want to feature the beautiful scenery, the beautiful beach here in Jaca, Davao Oriental. So at Governor Generoso in Davao Oriental. So come and join us and feel the breeze of the air here in the beautiful beach in Jaca.